Hello chaps and chapesses, and this week we're going to talk about Patreon. Welcome back to another quick video this week, and I hope that you have been enjoying our rich and varied content that we have on this channel. Recently, a few of our subscribers have been getting in touch to ask whether there was anything that they could do to help support the channel and to help us grow further. Now I have to say, I found that extremely flattering. The fact that firstly, anybody was even watching our videos, and secondly, the fact that they actually seemed to enjoy them. This has come a little bit of a shock to me, and we have started a Patreon page. What is Patreon, you say? Patreon is actually not a new concept at all. It's a very old concept. In days of yore, artists or musicians or creators in general were quite often aided financially by patrons of the arts, etc., etc. Well, Patreon is a page where you as a subscriber or you as someone who enjoys the content that we produce can help a little financially. Patreon is really just a modern take on an old theme. Those who created Patreon have developed a platform which is ideal for creators and their audiences to get in contact, and for those audiences, if they wish, there's no pressure at all obviously, to help out. And so for as little as the cost of a cup of coffee, you can help this channel continue to grow, expand, and generally get better. At the end of the day, we're all trying to aspire to bring better value and better content to those people who take the time to watch us. To get to our Patreon page, all you have to do is either click the link in the description below, or if you look on the main part of our channel, you will find it amongst the links up there. You can click through and it'll take you to our Patreon homepage, and there you will find 3 different levels of support. And I'll briefly outline what those are. Because I have absolutely no sense of humour at all, I have developed a 3-tiered system around some of my favourite species of fish. These are Tier 1 bonefish, Tier 2 permit, and Tier 3, of course, the giant trevally. So let me explain. Tier 1 is someone who is just interested in helping us and general support and would like to pledge up to £3 a month. So therefore you can go in, click in, and you can just put your details in there, and then you will give us £3 a month for the cost of a cup of coffee, which would be fabulous. The next level is permit. This is our Tier 2, and that, again, for the sum of £5 a month, will allow you to support the channel, which would be amazing. On the Patreon platform, you will be able to send us some ideas for videos and actually get involved and give us ideas of what it is that we should be creating and the kind of things that you would like to see. Our 3rd tier, which is the giant trevally tier, this is £10 a month, and really this is for those who are mildly obsessed with our channel, follow every single thing we do, and are verging on being slightly stalkerish, which we really don't mind. It's all cool. But if you feel obliged to be extremely generous and donate £10 a month, that would be amazing. So for Tier 3, you will be supporting the channel. You will also be able to make suggestions as to what video and content you would like to see. And for those who are in this category, we will be sending you out one of our Aardvark McLeod baseball caps made by Imperial in Denver, very high quality, so that you can show the entire world that you absolutely love our brand. Thank you very much. So why would you do this? I don't know, I keep asking myself that same question. Why would you do this? What are we going to do with that money though? Well, what we're going to do with that money is reinvest it into the channel, into equipment, into video editing software, into things which can improve the quality of the videos that we make, and also hopefully will allow us more time to actually spend creating videos for you to watch. It is a fairly grueling schedule to keep up 1 video or 2 videos a week, and it takes an enormous amount of time both in filming and in editing. So this financial contribution will go towards just improving everything, so hopefully we'll create a better experience for all of those who are watching. In all seriousness, I really want to thank all of you who have subscribed to our channel and follow the videos that we do. We love seeing the comments that you put up and answering them, and it's a great platform to bring us all together and just enjoy the world of international fly fishing. YouTube has been quite a journey. Not really the journey I was expecting, I have to say. To begin with, it was really just a way of getting some of our trips out there and having interaction with people, but it seems to have grown and taken on a little personality all of its own. It gives us huge pleasure to make videos and make tutorials and show you bits of kit and all of the stuff that goes into the daily part of what we do, whether it's international fishing or domestic fishing. But all of these spectrums and all of these places around the world, it's wonderful to be able to share those with you and to get your input and feedback on those trips that you have been taking with us. It's a big world out there, and you should explore it with a fly rod in one hand. Because quite frankly, without you, the viewers, we won't have a channel. In fact, we'd just be like people shouting into the wind. No, exactly. Doesn't really work. So a massive thank you for all of those who have subscribed to our channel. And if you feel so inclined, please go and take a look at our Patreon page. Maybe donate us a little bit of money for equipment and software, etc. At this point, I don't really have much more to say other than thank you very much. Thanks for the support, and we will look forward to seeing you on the next one.